Here we are going to open a new.m in the MATLAB, which is used for getting an input as an image and displaying the output as an image. Once the file is open, we should run the file. Here we are going to give a input as an image. For example, I am giving my image as an input. Along with the input image, we should give two key images. One is along with input image, and another is for hardware. When these two key images matches, encryption and decryption will take place. When these two key images does not match, the encryption alone happens and decryption does not takes place. I am giving a two key images of same image in first case. Once the input images is given, it will call the encryption code, which is Verilog code, which will be running through model sim. Once the process is finished, click No and come back to the MATLAB to display the output of the images. Press any key to get an output, and set of images will be displaying. One is an encrypted output and another is decrypted output. Decrypted output, which is the retrieval of input image. Once the decryption takes completed successfully, the hardware which is trying to we are secure should give a correct output. Here we are using a multiplier. X and Y are the input of the multiplier, 21 into 10, which should give 210. After the decryption, it should display the 210. After the decryption takes place, it will display as a 210. Before decryption, it will give 0. When the two key images matches, the decryption takes place and the multiplier will display the correct output. Whereas in the second case, these two key images will be given as a different key images and there will be no decryption takes place. Input image is given and two different key images should be given. One is along with input and another along with one is for hardware. Once the key images and input images are given, it will call the encryption and decryption file. Once the process is done, click No and come back to the MATLAB to display the output images. Press any key to get an output, and two images will be displayed. One is an encrypted output and another is a decrypted output. These two will be the same. The decryption does not take place due to the mismatch in the key value. When there is no decryption takes place, the multiplier does not gives a correct output. So it remains as a 0 in all the cases. There is no decryption takes place, so 0 is displayed in